Yo, what is up, guys? I'm playing Keep Climbing by Average Monkey. I'm going to explore the levels and I'm really excited. So I need to change my color first because it's a little bit wonky in Publix, but that is completely fine. Okay, let's go to mod testers and credits. Moderator very skimmy. Unbreakable, Muffy. I know that dude. Duckster. I know that dude. Shrek. Oh, that guy. Oh, yeah, I know that. Like the creator of Pumpkin, or never mind. Levels. What? Grasslands. Okay, let's go. Level 1. This is, why did I say this? Where am I supposed? Oh, prepare to climb. Guys, I am excited. No, duh. What, do these crates do anything? No. Are there secret cosmetics? Cause like, oh, you have to do obbies. It's not very good because it's laggy. But that's not Average's fault. That's not his fault. Actually, it's not even that laggy. So Average, you're amazing. That Kid no King Samlet. Yo. Oh, nothing in there. That looks cool. No. Are there any like secret cosmetic? This is my first time playing, but he made like he recorded a video of like the beta a while ago, so I can't really remember it. But that, should I jump in? Should I jump? I'm jumping in. Yo, yes, I got it. That's cool, Average. You're cool and amazing. Don't frick. No. You go back. Is that how to go back? Hey, that's how you go back. Oh, that's cool. Where's the cosmetics? Oh, in the shop. Of course. Pickaxe. Pickaxe. Oh. Yo, this is adorable. This is adorable. Yo, I'm dripped out. Wait, this little pickaxe is adorable. Wait. Guys, should I speedrun all the levels? Look out for gold. What do you do with gold? Alright, let's look out for gold, guys. Why am I doing this? What even did I don't care what's over there. Because there's no cosmetics over there. This pickaxe is so preppy, bro. Nope. Is that the end all the way over there? Like, seems like a fairly short level, but there's 5 levels, so you gotta make the best of it. And you also have to find cosmetics. Wait, I just realized, what am I doing with my life? I'm just playing random monkey games on VR and adding commentary of me playing it. I don't think you want to jump in that hole. Where are you supposed to go? Who cares? I don't like that noise. I don't think you're supposed to go this way. Alright, I'm going in. I don't like this. Oh. That's cool. You know what I mean. Is there one more thing? Or is that just it? Okay, that's just it. Bro, finally I can feel safe again, bro. I did not like that. Because I'm such a scary poop. Is it unlocked now? Oh. What's 2? Rocky Mines? I really don't like mines. Oh frick, that was kinda scary. Danger. Should I be? Can you mine in this game? That'd be cool. No, don't do that. Don't be like duck. Be like average. Are you supposed to? Oh, I thought it was just a board. Oh, it is just a board. Oh, but it's a thick one. I can't. Can I make that? Okay. Yeah, we're okay. We're okay. We're cooked. Oh, this isn't. It's bad. Is this lava? That is not. Guys. What is it? I knew it. I knew it. Sometimes you just gotta explore your way to exploration. That's cool. Pretty sure that's the only cosmetic use. I don't like that noise. Maybe it's because I'm just The fitness gram pacer test is a multi-stage aerobic capacity test that progressively gets more difficult as it continues. The gram pacer test. You're such a poopy head. I'm just kidding, average. You're a nice boy. Whatever you want to call yourself. You know what? Let's speedrun. Let's not speedrun. No. I might make a part 2 because, no, I'm gonna make a part 2 because... Why did I lag out so much? Right controller battery low. Who cares? Bro, I'm lagging out so much. Who cares about lag? Kid Cudi, yeah. Boinga doinga ling. Bitting ringtone. Oh, that really was not that bad. Oh, that also was not that bad. Oh no, this... Oh, that's where you get that. Okay. Guys, I think we're not cooked. I don't think we're cooked. Bob would... Oh my gosh, guys. Bob was here. Who's Bob? Oh, wow. Very well made, average. You're very... Oh, wow. Oh. Scale. Oh, no. I really do not like this. If I lose tracking, it's game over. I don't think it's game over then. Wait, I need a break. My eyes are watering because I've opened them for so long. Guys, it is the next day. I am planning to make another video. I'm just saying, I am so sorry that it cut out in level 2. It's the next day. I beat it after, but it made me stop recording, so I'm really sorry about that, guys. And I don't know, Average Monkey. I love you, bro. Your game is amazing. Bye.